All right, we're down here on the Boulevard in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're gonna go check out Peach's Corner, maybe get something to eat right there behind me. Peach's Corner is in the heart of the Myrtle Beach Strip and has been a cornerstone here for as long as anyone watching this video can remember. This place has been around since 1937, so they are celebrating their 85th birthday. And that's a lot of candles. And for the past 85 years, they continue to serve great food and drinks to their customers. This place is more than historic, it's epic, and a staple of Myrtle Beach and the Ocean Boulevard Strip. If you wanted a good old-fashioned hamburger or foot-long hot dog, then you probably got it from here when you were cruising or walking the boulevard back in the day. You know, like in the 50s or in the 80s or even yesterday, standing the test of time. Mama Peach was the original owner of the restaurant until 1943, when Mr. and Mrs. Johnny Burroughs bought the property, and it's still in the Burroughs family today. Oh yeah, they have ice cream too for those hot summer days coming off the beach. Their menu consists of world-famous foods like hamburgers, hot dogs, and more. And of course, drinks. We were lucky enough to get a window seat. Here's our view from the window out to the boulevard while waiting for the food. She got the corn dog with fries and smothered it with mustard like she was at the state fair. I went in a different direction and got the foot-long hot dog with slaw, because I'm cool like that. Of course, the prices were slightly higher than when they first opened. Back then, hot dogs were sold for 15 cents or 2 for 25 cents. And beer was 10 cents back in the day. Ah, the good old days when beer was just 10 cents. Where have they gone? It's no wonder this landmark in Myrtle Beach has been visited by millions of people. Peach's has withstood the test of time, not to mention the many storms that pound these beaches each year. And for the last 85 years, people have come back to this small corner to relive the good times they had in the days past. So the next time you're in the area, come by Peach's Corner and grab a hamburger, corn dog, or a foot-long hot dog so you can keep beaching.